Man, it's hot. Yo guys, I'm in medieval fort in Larnaca, and it's was actually built in 12th century to fight the intruders. So it was built by I think Arabic letters. Medieval bazookas here. Like you could shoot this. I don't know if it was brought later or when was the gunpowder invented. 12th century, 15, but yeah, very cool. You have that original 1765. How crazy is that? Like, imagine drinking here 17th century. That's cool. Oh, it's actually German cannons, early 20th century, so it's been brought in 20th century. Cool, very cool. Let's go see upstairs. Upstairs. Oh, person. Look. And here is the guy. Here's also travelers. This is also was built. This is not built in 12th century. Only this. Man, this is so fun. Oh wow, they have this gun. They have no letters. Very nice. Tombstones. Okay, it's actually tombstones 14th to 19th century. 5 centuries. Tombstones. So cool. Here's something. But what is this? It's Latin. I think it's Latin. What does it say? Ah, doesn't matter. But yeah, look at this. Amazing. It's a cool place. Alright, let's go up. Let's go up. Go up. Man, this is freaking up. This is original. Okay, this was not invented. The lights brought it, but man, probably the stone carving was a big thing back then, you know, like you can carve on stones and then stays forever in the memories. This is some like knight shields. Super cool. This door was not from the century. Right. Oh, there we have some Arabic letters. This probably says something. Here we have Hebrew letters. So I think Cyprus is close to Israel and Turkey and Arabic countries. It was like main. Wow, this is all from there. Main island that they were. It's like an important island. Like this is some local. What is it? This is not the guys from you can hear from the mosque prayer. The cannonballs of, I bet it's original, all this, you know, like, damn, how cool is that? Okay, let's go for it. Let's go up. Here we can hear the prayer. Welcome to Cyprus, Larnaca. There we have a mosque. And right now we are in a medieval fort in Larnaca. Super original fort. I think it was built in man, what a view is here. Amazing. Cool. Damn. They were fighting the pirates, invaders from this fort. Wow. It's beautiful here.